Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing Redmi Note 11 Pro. This is actually my first phone from Xiaomi, so we will all take a look at this. First look, how it looks, how is the packaging. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so powered by Redmi. This presentation is pretty good, I would say. Compared to the Samsung or iPhone, I don't feel anything is worse over here. So here's your typical paperwork. Redmi Note 11 Pro quick start guide, some safety informations, warranty card, and you also have a case inside. Let's check it out. Okay, so seems like a silicone case. Pretty nice. It'll always good to have a bonus. SIM ejection tool. And let's see what's inside. So here's the phone with this wrap. Redmi Note 11 Pro. 108 megapixel Pro grade main camera. Ultra wide and macro lenses, 67 watt turbo charging, fast charging, and full HD AMOLED display. And of course, some Chinese processor, that is MediaTek, octa-core processor. It also has 6 GB of RAM, I believe. And let's proceed. Oh, I actually didn't expect the finish to be this way, but it looks pretty cool, I would say. Yeah, definitely it is something different, to be honest. Some close-up here. And of course, this is the thing what's interests us the most, the cameras. I will put them to the test. Make some camera comparisons with Samsung Galaxy S22 and also with some other phones. So the phone looks actually pretty good. I think this is a metal frame, glass back panel, and let's boot it up real quick. Okay, and let's actually check what's inside the box. Oh my god, charger. That is unusual thing to get in those times, you know. Actually a charger, yeah, pretty cool. And the charger itself, okay, let me show you the content of the box. This is a pretty big charger, but guys, the presentation is just even above the iPhone, I would say. Yeah, the charger quality, pretty nice. And also the cable. This is USB Type-C, I believe. Yeah, nothing. And this is actually pretty thick cable. Looks pretty solid. Okay, so let's look at the phone. The screen looks pretty decent. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. Yeah, guys, so this phone looks pretty good, pretty solid. The packaging was very well made as well. So guys, stay tuned for camera comparisons with this phone and see you in the next one. Peace.